I'm doing it again. I wish I couldn't do this, but one person told me to. And I'm doing it for them. So they said, can you please do How to Sneeze again, but longer? I don't remember how long I did How to Sneeze, but I have 9% on my phone. So I don't think I'll do it much longer, but I could do another one. I got the Vaseline ready. And the Q-tips. This time I'm getting 2. I can't believe I have to do this in one video. Obviously, this is not going to be fast. Okay, you see it's skewing. It's very weird. This one has the most, so put the most on first. Sorry. That's clean on my lip. Okay, put it in my nose. And now the other one. Ooh. Now I gotta do it to both. Okay, so I put them both on my nose. So now I'm gonna you could put it in the different nose hole. Yeah. I think I did How to Sneeze for 3 minutes. And I don't think I want to do this again. And I'm done. That is never going to happen again. Anyways, it is the day after my birthday. I am 9. I used to be 8.5. Didn't want to be 8.5. But at least I got no presents. Actually, at least I get a party on Sunday. Yeah, I get a party on Sunday. Get a party on Sunday. Fresher than that. Fresher. I can't do this from Raven, so. This is what's hard being a YouTuber. Arm hurts every single time you make a video. So don't try to do this. You'll regret it. That's why I'm holding my arm. Well, I'm really good at doing this in a mirror. I'm looking in a mirror while I'm doing this. It's not in the front. It's supposed to be like this, but then I'm turning it around. As I can see. And turn